like a cheeseburger, please.
Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. Super excited to introduce our next turnkey build. This 2012 FRS. This E30 series BMW.
1969 GTO.
2013 IS250.
1972 Chevy Nova.
On this FDRX7.
350Z, 370Z.
Or an MK4 Supra. We're going to be shoehorning a big old LS V8 into this thing and R&D and developing all the parts from start to finish. This scanning arm's got a 9-foot wingspan and it can maintain accuracy of plus or minus 0.005 of an inch. Definitely technology that makes SIKKY products far superior. We're gonna do what we do best and fit the LS to this car and not try to change the car to fit the LS. My favorite part of any build, the road testing.
What an amazing car. I couldn't be happier with how this thing turned out.